Let us try to help the Poco X2 users by retweeting the tweet linked in the description of this video, whether you have the Poco X2 or not. Every now and then I get tagged in a tweet or a retweet on Twitter about Poco X2 camera issues. So I did some reading about it, went through the Telegram channels, the groups, of course, everything is linked in the description of this video. And the Poco X2 has an issue. The issue is that the camera dies, or it dies randomly, or it dies after the 12.5 update. Abhishek tweeted about it a few days back, and I did mention that Poco is a shameless brand, and that is true. But the purpose of this video is to raise some voices and create some awareness. So, as I said at the beginning of this video, no matter what device you have, I don't care what device you have. If you are a viewer of my channel, if you are watching this video, retweet the tweet linked in the description of this video. Maybe, just maybe, if enough people create enough noise, somebody from the shameless Poco India brand is going to hear us out and fix the Poco X2 camera issues and those who are affected by it. Poco India did come out with a letter saying only 0.2% are affected by this issue. Here is the fix. Go to the service center. And in the latest AMA, their country director Anuj Sharma said he's going to post a link to the Google form. Fill that out. Somebody from Poco India will contact you. Yes, they did contact the affected users. They said bring in their phones. People take their phone to the service center. They analyze it. A very minute number is getting free repair. I'm not gonna lie, a very minute number. I think out of the 400 or 500 members in the Telegram group, which is specifically created for Poco X2 camera issues, I think one or two got the free repair. Most of them, they say, oh, motherboard is bad, you have to pay 8 grand, but since we are a good company, we are gonna give you 50% discount. And I'm like, seriously, what the F? You gotta be kidding me, right? On social media, you come out and say that, oh, only 0.2% are affected. We will repair it for free if you give us enough evidence. Well, the evidence is there. The camera is dead. So on social media, they are saying that we will repair it for free if you give us enough evidence. But in real life, the truth is far from what they are saying on social media. As I mentioned, Poco India is a shameless brand. And this person who replied, Gaurav, he replied the best answer. Poco India, if you're listening, stop being freaking shameless and read this. If only 0.2% people are affected with the Poco X2 camera issue, why the hell on earth are you not fixing it for free? I'll tell you why. Because they are stubborn as FUCK. That is what they are. They are shameless. They will blame the customer for everything. Somebody's phone blasted the other day, Poco X3 Pro. Direct blame on the end user. This is the level to which Poco India has gone down to. You know what Poco India is good at? They are good at selling their stuff, hiring your paid influencers who will sell you shit for 500 rupees a kg, the glorified YouTube salesmen I repeat, who do not even respond to you when you ask them for help. Anyways, so those of you who still have the Poco X2 or any phone of Poco, my recommendation after this, if your phone is working, exchange it, go for some other brand. You've seen the customer service, the support Poco India provides. I don't think so. The after sales service, their attitude is up to the mark. They need definite improvement. And before I end the video, again, if you are watching this video, please retweet the tweet linked in the description of this video. Ask your Telegram groups, the channels, the admins to pin it. Ask everybody to retweet again. The only thing we can do is try. Whether somebody at the shameless Poco India management responds or not is a totally different topic, but we do need to try.